Alright, question 1. All you have to do for this is figure out the linear function ax plus b for which these 2 points satisfy. So if I write them as coordinate, the first one is if I put in the x value of 2, you get a 1. Oh. And the second one is if I put in an x value of -3, my function gives you 11. So those are the coordinates. So using those x and y coordinates, let me write two functions. So if I put in an x value of 2 using this number, I get a times number 2 plus b. I don't know what a and b is, but I do know that when I put in this function, I should get this number 1 answer. Alright, let's use the other function. So if I put in a value of -3, I should get 11. So now that I know these two different equations, it's called simultaneous equation. You would have heard about it in year 10. So you just got to solve it because there's two unknown variables and two equations. You should be able to solve it. I'm going to rearrange both of them to b equals so I can just eliminate b. So b equals, if I use this function, I'm just going to get rid of, not this one, I'm going to get rid of 2a, or a times 2 to the other side. So b equals 1 take 2a. And then the second function, it will be, I'm just going to get rid of that to the other side. So if I simplify a times -3, it's -3a. So opposite of -3a is +3a, so it'll be 11 plus 3a. So now I can eliminate the b's, right? These numbers, well, these unknown variables should have the same variable, so I can technically write 1 take 2a equals 11 plus 3a because b should have the same value. Alright, now I just rearrange it. I just want a's to be on one side, numbers to be on the other side. I'm going to remove the -2a from this side. So 1 must be 11 plus 5a. Just have to get rid of the -11. So I have -10 equals 5a. So therefore, if I just divide 5 from both sides, I should find, therefore, a is -2. So now that I've found -2, I'm not done yet. I just have to put it in one of these equations to solve for b. So I'm just going to choose this first equation just because it's the first one. So I'm going to write b equals 1 take 2 lots of a, which is -2. So that should simplify down to 1 plus 4. So my b should be 5. Let's double check it just so I know that it's true. Let's use this function. So my 5, which is my b, should equal 11 plus 3 lots of -2. Which is true because it's 11 take 6, which is 5. So I know that a and b is found. So if I found their linear functions, I just got to write it in this form. So fx, this is my answer. Therefore, my fx is a, which was -2, x plus 5 for b. And that is your answer.